Hey y'all, you know what? I was thinking before I started to press that some of us do not know how to use interfacing and what settings to put it on. So I thought I would just do, a little 1-2 for you real quick and show you how it's supposed to be done correctly. So this fabric does stretch. So when I put the interfacing on it, it'll take away the stretch and add more structure to it. So, for instance, you're using interface. So it's a little rough side. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a little rough and it's like prickly a little bit and you can feel it. This is the side that you lay facing down on the back side of the fabric. And also still when cutting this, you cut this the same way. So when you get ready to lay it down, it matches the fabric. So now that I have the interfacing with the little rough edge or lightly risen, you could feel the stickiness, but it's not sticky. It's just like, rough. So on your setting for your iron, you need to do no steam. No steam. That's very important. If you use steam, this, I don't know why, but it makes it, the steam doesn't activate it like it should. And you should leave it on for maybe about 5 seconds. Now, when you leave it on for at least 5 seconds, you want to press it down. But don't do like your iron. Don't do this. Don't do this. This will stretch and pull your interfacing and it will not hold the structure like it's supposed to. So don't iron on it. It'll make it stretch out and take away the structure that it's supposed to do. So you just press down and it kind of mends itself to it. And you just go around. Now I did this part and I can feel right here, it's mended. If it doesn't stick, once you get done, just go over it again and just press. That's all you have to do to, if it's a piece that you may have missed from the iron. And now you can see it has a little bit more structure versus this one. This one, you can stretch. This one, yeah. So I hope you learned something today if you didn't know. But that is how you adhered interfacing to any type of fabric. And like I said, don't do this. Don't do that. You'll mess up the interfacing. But hope you learned something today. I'll be back.